Hello, this is Jay from Encodian. So I'm going to run through today how to set up an Encodian connection, which is something you do the first time you use any connector in Power Automate. But obviously for this demo, we're going to look at what happens when you set up a connection to the Encodian connector for the first time. So to do that, I'm going to create a really simple flow. Oh, not that one. I'm going to do an instant cloud flow, and I'm simply going to try and create a random number. So what I'll do, I click plus in here, and I'm going to add an action, and let's just see if we can bring the Encodian connector up. Here we go. I can click see more, and I can start to view all of the different. Now I know right down the bottom are our utility actions, and the one I'm interested in is generate a random number. So when I add this action in, what I'm going to be prompted for is to create that connection. So with an Encodian, we use an API key. So I can enter these first bits here, so connection name. Let me just say I'll just do Encodian Flowr. You can call this whatever you need to. You can have multiple connections with different names, different API keys, for different subscriptions. But for this, we're setting up for the first time. We'll just give it a connection name of Encodian Flowr. Now, we need to get an API key. So it's telling us there we can get one from the website, and where we'll have to fill in a form. So I'll just jump over to the website. We want to go to Encodian Flowr. That's our Power Automate connector. And on this page, there'll be activate free trial where I can sign up and get the information I'm looking for. So I'm going to accept the terms of service, click submit. Now that's going to be, in the background, is going to create the account. I'm going to get an email with credentials that I can use to access the account portal. And it's also going to generate my API key for me, which I can see here. So I can click to copy that. So I've copied. I'll jump back over here and I can pop that API key straight in there. I can choose my data processing region. I'm going to leave it as nearest fastest because I haven't got a specific data residency requirement to say process my data in this particular location. So I'm just going to say have nearest fastest, click create new. And once that's done, I can then configure the action. Now that's only going to happen once. If I was to add in another action, I won't be prompted for that information again because I've already created the connection. It will utilize the existing connection. So I can save that and I can just run that through, and we can see that that will save the flow for me, and then I can actually do the test. And that should run through quite quickly. And we'll see on the outputs, there is the random, there's the random number that's been generated in the result of that action for me. So that's how to set up an Encodian connection. As ever, if you've got any questions or need some guidance, then you can email us at support@encodian.com, and obviously check out the support portal, which has got useful guidance. And obviously you'll probably find this video there as well.